In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed a PDF on Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to share a document like a menu, brochure, or any other PDF with your website visitors, embedding it directly onto your Squarespace site is a fantastic way to make it easily accessible. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this seamlessly. First, you'll want to decide where you'd like to embed the PDF. You have two primary options, adding it to a button or a text block. Both methods are effective, and the choice depends on your design preference and the user experience you want to create. If you're looking for a more prominent call to action, a button might be the best choice, whereas a text block offers a more subtle approach. Once you've decided on the placement, let's look at how you can attach your PDF file. If you've chosen to go with a button, start by clicking on the pencil icon to edit the button settings. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for the gear icon situated right next to the link field and give it a click. Here, you'll see an option to select a file. Choose this, then proceed to upload your PDF. Once the upload is complete, the PDF will be linked to your button, ready for visitors to access. Now, if you opted for a text block instead of a button, the process is quite similar. Begin by highlighting the text you wish to link to your PDF. Once highlighted, a small toolbar should appear. Click the link icon, which usually looks like a small chain link. This will bring up your link options. From here, just as you did with the button, you'll click on the gear icon beside the link field. Select File and then upload your PDF. Once uploaded, your text will be linked to the PDF, offering a seamless way for your site visitors to view or download it. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively embed a PDF on your Squarespace site, providing valuable content to your audience in a user-friendly manner. Whether you choose a button or a text block, each method offers a straightforward way to display your documents. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. Consider the design and layout of your page when deciding between a button and a text block. A button might stand out more and encourage users to click, which is great for important documents like a product catalog or a sale announcement. On the other hand, linking through a text block can maintain a cleaner, more integrated look if you have a lot of text content on your page. Remember, the key is to keep your site visitor in mind. Make sure the PDF is easily accessible and adds value to their experience on your site. With these tips in mind, you are all set to enhance your Squarespace site with embedded PDFs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!